Hello, Magandan Umaga. Good evening, all my friends, and thanks to God. Today we going to say first I am going to say I am Dr. Muhammad Khan. I am naturopathic doctor, and I want everyone cure self. Everyone can cure yourself if you learn how to cure. Because I want to say you make your home is hospital. You no need to go to the hospital. Or if you want to cure your by naturopathic and in nature, what the nature, the what the God giving, the all kinds fruits, foods, vegetables, this all nature. You have to treat, your treatment is from the nature, not from chemical, because our body never accept chemical. And if you love God, He will protect you. You should be, you have to obey to God, and you must be choose the right path. You help everyone. Don't come selfish. If you are help everyone, God will help you. And you do and see. This is my challenge, God every time saying, He's waiting for us. Who coming asking excuse, who coming asking the you have any problems, He will solve your problem. God always waiting. So, so we have to say, when you are sleeping, you say thanks to God. You get up, you say thanks to God. All the time you have to must say thanks to God. And everyone, every friends, every neighbors, all the people have to help. Who have any problem, please help. Don't come selfish. Make yourself great. So God will give you beauty, healthy, everything you will get. So today we are going to talking about the cholesterol. How to we reduce cholesterol, how our body incoming cholesterol. So the cholesterol should be, we have to keep 130 level. And there is, if your cholesterol more than 130, that means you are having problem. So you must be, you know how to cure your cholesterol. So that's why you should be how to our cholesterol must be 130. And which the best cholesterol? There is the best cholesterol is the HDL. That should be, you have to make, that should be the HDL should be how to come 25. Not going up more than up 25, the HDL. The bad this is the best cholesterol, HDL. The bad cholesterol is LDL. LDL should be 70. And there is more VLDL. VLDL should be 20. So this must be, the how much. So our cholesterol level how much? 130. HDL how much? 25. VLDL how much? LDL how much? 70. VLDL how much? 20. So why this cholesterol coming? There is reason. If we are not control, if your BP is high, the cholesterol is going high. So should be your BP how much? 120 to 80. Okay. So sugar, if you have sugar, your cholesterol must be going high, because your sugar not controlled. Sugar should be 100, 140. Then number 3, you are smoking. Smoking is very bad. Your cholesterol going high, your blockage coming, your heart coming problem. This is big disease. Your heart coming blockage, your lungs coming problem, your whole body is coming problem. So number 3, obesity. Obesity and fat. If you are fat, already the automatic is cholesterol going up. Then you have stress. If you have stress, stress is the big pushing for the more disease. Who bringing more disease? The stress. Stress, obesity, and sugar, alcohol, and BP, and smoking. They are 6 brother. So if there, you must be how to control these things. If you are control, you don't have any problem. Your cholesterol normal, your BP normal, your sugar normal, your blood circulation normal. So that's why we said, because always we are waiting in the light, we are always looking mobile, always watching TV. No, you should be, night, you have to stop all light, off all the light, your room, and don't see any light coming from your in room side. When you are sleeping in the room, our body release hormone. That is the repairing our body. If you are put light, that hormone not coming. So you must be close all light when you are sleeping. So when you are in dark, our body will be release the good hormone. These things nobody tell you for you. If you telling, I challenge. No one doctor say for you. That's why I'm teaching for you. Good, you can yourself. You can make treatment yourself. You protect your body. You protect your health. You protect your parents. You protect your friends. Everyone. And what I saying, you remember and keep always your ginger your mouth. If you drink boiling and ginger water, you don't have virus. Your mouth don't have any bad bacteria, because ginger is oxidant. Ginger is antibiotic, antioxidant. So this is ginger antibacteria, so antifungal, antioxidant, everything is there. This is medicine. You no need to go in the hospital. You said, oh, I am positive. When you feel something, you drink the ginger tea, drink ginger boil and water, good for your period also. All this dirty blood taking out, this good anytime, not coming in pain. This is painkiller. The ginger is the best medicine. Your stomach, any problem, he will be cured. If you go doctor, they don't have any medicine for the stomach. But this ginger, your body all from your stomach, from you have pain, if your body in air have, all will be released. So now, okay, just I give tips. Now we going to back there. So this our cholesterol, what we have to do coming the level. Number 1, we have to make yoga, that one call medication. Any yoga, if you can any medication, So number 1, medication, any medication means you must be exercise. You walk, should be any half an hour, morning you have to walk. When you walking, you never come your body in blockage, never come your cholesterol, the LDL high, always the HDL. So you have to walk even 30 minutes. The best exercise best medication is the walking. Okay, you can walk. Yoga and walking, and your body must be, if you eating vegetables, fruits, if you eat, you are getting vitamin A, K, C, so you don't have any blockage. You have to eat the fruits, you have to eat the vegetable, raw material, living food, more salad, more raw material, and not cooking and eating. Cooking, eating, no use. That is poison. You can feel your stomach, but you never get any benefit. You eat any vegetable you eat salad like this without cooking. You eat salad, any raw vegetable, living food, that is more benefit to have for you. So if you do this one, and don't keep your stress. If you keep stress, you bring more disease, more dead disease coming your body in. So just always you make exercise, always eat the fruit and the veg. This is the medicine. The fruit and the vegetable is medicine. All disease you can throw out. So this is, if you want to cure yourself, even you have kids, you have a problem, just take 3 drop ginger and 3 drop is honey. Mix it, just put his tongue to. See, his stomach, any problems, if you make vomiting, you have teeth problem, you have stomach problem, you have anything, you have diarrhea, whatever else, all will be gone. Just try and do. Any things you want to ask, you can comment me, you can send message, I will give you reply. This is free. I have clinic. This is because I always, you see my channel, I am giving free, no fees, free treatment. We are never charging anything because I want to help for who? For God. This is charge I am getting from my God. I am not asking for anybody. I have lot of people in my clinics, from coming Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, everywhere coming. Qatar, Dubai, and other countries also, Sudan, Yemen, Jordan. I never charge money, free. I have free of cost. This this is helping to people. I love this one because if I help someone, I feel so happy. Because this is my God saying, don't come selfish. That's why I'm helping for them free. So if I helping for everyone, my God helping for me. That's why I said I'm the naturopathic doctor. I am never charged for any treatment. And if you do this treatment from your heart, you will be always healthy. You follow these tips, you will always healthy. That's why I say always you want to come healthy, you drink morning 250 ml or 100 ml or 150 ml the moringa leaves, boil and drink. The morning and even before food. Before food you drink, then you eat your food. Evening same, also you are eating your food, then drink that boiling water for moringa. You don't have any problems. Because sometimes you said, I don't have money to buy fruits, I don't have money to buy for salad, but moringa is free. I know your country is moringa free. Every house have. So, my wife also Filipina. She's doing she's drinking the moringa tea, my family all. My wife, mother drinking moringa tea, ginger tea and moringa, the water. I said before in my video, I said when you cook the rice, you cook rice in the moringa boiling water. First boil the moringa leaves, then you boil your rice, same that water in. And you eat and see. You never come sugar, never come cholesterol high. I saying something, do yourself, do and see. You never come sick. You never come any problem, never come bacteria, never come positive. Always you are negative. You do and see. Anybody have positive, you hear, oh, this somebody say this positive. Tell, drink ginger tea. If you drink 2 or 3 times, then go and check. I 100% guarantee he coming negative, not coming positive. If you eat positive food, you coming positive. Because anything you are cooking, eating without, you are not eating. Just why I say morning, empty stomach, you drink 200 ml the boiled moringa leaves and drink. And then before you sleep, before you eat evening food, whatever, afternoon eating food, your lunch, you drink must be 2 ml. Then 200 ml, sorry, not 2 ml, 200 ml. Then lunch you are eating, then make again 200 ml. So, and you drink and then you eat your food. You never come any problem for you. You do and see. And then your rice cooking, you boil the moringa water in and then water throw. Then rice you eat, make again in the fire, make slow fire, the dry coming and eat that rice is already is organic. You never come any problem. So just you want to come healthy, you want to come your good personality, you want to come beautiful, you want to come grow your skin, grow your hair. So you see how come your health. See, if you do this one, what I am getting? I am nothing because I am giving for you because everyone want to come health. I am always pray God, keep everyone for healthy, the good way, not for with chemical. They can come healthy for with who? With the nature. Nature is God. That's why I say our nature giving everything, but we don't know. We are always stomach paining, oh go hospital. Ear paining, go hospital. Eyes paining, go hospital. Anybody if you have pimple, the face or something problem here, any place, you just take the black pepper and just like a 7-8 piece, bite in mouth and drink 1 glass of warm water. You see 2 days in finish your allergy for face. Any problems because black pepper is lot of vitamin C there. So our face or body or hair what need? The vitamin C. Because we are not eating always boiling rice, oiling food we are eating. So we have more acidic. We have more acidic. That's why we have problem. Our pH level is weak. If our pH level is not coming strong, how coming? Carbohydrate we are making high. Any food eating, our carbohydrate going 98, 100. No. If you eat the vegetable, fruits, your carbohydrate coming 8. So you want to come healthy, you follow my tips, do it, You never come. And don't afraid. Somebody say, oh, you have virus, you have corona. You drink ginger tea. When you drink ginger tea, you coming normal. If you have fever, don't take medicine. Just drink ginger tea. And you you see, your fever will be go down. You know why? Because ginger killing virus. If your mouth in, keep your mouth in ginger. You go outside, any place, just keep mouth in your ginger. You go anywhere, see, never come your virus, bacteria, they will kill there. You know, our body in good bacteria have. If you use any chemical, the bacteria will be killed. If you use the sanitizer, also the bacteria will be killed. So you keep ginger, your bacteria, your virus will be killed ginger. You have any problem, you keep the ginger in the mouth. You never, if you take the test, you never say you are the positive. Never come positive. And when you are feel this say positive, don't eat food. Stop the fast food. Just take the ginger tea and eat citrus fruit. 1 day, 2 days, you finish. No more. No more there virus. This is my challenge. I am doctor because I am not talking for 1 day. How many? Because that's why I said my mission is want to keep everyone healthy. I don't asking from you anything. Just I said, if you like my tips, if you love my tips, please tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your parents, like and share, tell to more and more so everybody get the benefit. That's all. I am not getting anything because I spent time for my God, because He will give me for me good place. I am asking from heaven because I do something good, because this is my mission. I want to help free of charge. I am not taking any money. That's why even my wife is also telling, anybody you are coming, your center, please tell them drink the ginger tea morning and evening. You know, because you know, maybe my wife's name is Jen. She working in the health center. So I'm always say advice for them and to drink the ginger tea so they will feel healthy. They never come your bacteria in your mouth, the virus in your mouth. You are always healthy. And every day you drink 3 or 4, 5, 6 pieces in the black pepper morning with the water, evening. So your eyesight coming great. You're not coming eyesight any problem. You don't need to wear the eyeglass. You see. That's why I said, if you follow my channel, please like and share my channel. And if you are you are coming more and more. So I will give you more and more all health, how to clean whole body. How clean your heart, how clean your liver, how clean your kidney, how clean your lungs, how clean your mouth, how clean your eyes, how clean your ear, how clean your hair, how clean your breast. All I have this everything I will tell you. You can cleanse your home. You can cure yourself in your home. No need to go hospital, and you can make your body alkaline. You can throw all acidic out. So this one. If you love my channel, please, I said all my friends like and share and tell all friends, give them other to other, so everybody will get benefit. Everyone get the benefit. Okay, I hope this is enough. I hope you are following this one and you are getting benefit. Inshallah, we see you next time, and good night. See you next time. Have a